Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a financial roadmap with Navy Federal, detailed guide step by step clearly. Creating a financial roadmap with Navy Federal can pave the way for your financial success. Start by gathering all your financial documents. This includes recent bank statements, loan information, and income records. Next, assess your current financial situation. Calculate your total income, expenses, and any debts you may have. This will provide a clear picture of where you stand financially. Visit the Navy Federal website to access their financial tools. These tools can help you analyze your spending habits and set financial goals. Consider scheduling a consultation with a Navy Federal representative. They can offer personalized guidance tailored to your needs. Define your short-term and long-term financial goals. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or paying off credit card debt. Long-term goals could involve buying a house or planning for retirement. Once your goals are set, create a budget to guide your spending. Make sure to allocate funds for savings in addition to covering essential expenses. Utilize Navy Federal's budgeting tools to track your progress. Regularly reviewing your budget can help keep you on track. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Redirect any extra funds towards your savings and debt repayment. Explore Navy Federal savings and investment options. Building an emergency fund is crucial for financial stability. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. This ensures consistent contributions without having to think about it. As you progress, monitor your credit score. Navy Federal offers resources to help you understand and improve your credit health. Evaluate your insurance needs, such as auto, home, and life insurance. Ensure you have adequate coverage to protect your assets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.